In today's video, QUOC introduces an automated wood defect cutting solution combined with a four-side molding process designed to quickly remove knots, cracks, and other defects from wooden boards while producing four-side processed material in a continuous production line. As you can see, after defects are removed by the automatic defect cutting machine, the wood pieces are automatically transferred via the conveyor system and moved directly to the next stage, the four-side molding machine, without any manual handling. At the molding stage, we introduce a high-speed four-side molding machine, specially designed for processing wood blanks in finger joint production, furniture manufacturing, and wood processing industries. The machine simultaneously processes all four sides of the wood, producing straight, square, and smooth surfaces that are ready for the next manufacturing steps. The machine is equipped with a high-precision automatic feeding system, providing a feeding speed from 15 to 100 meters per minute, significantly increasing production productivity. The double front-bottom cutter structure allows rough planing followed by fine planing, ensuring a highly flat bottom surface while maintaining stable and smooth material feeding. The machine uses high-precision spindles with a rotation speed of up to 8,000 RPM, delivering stable machining quality and excellent surface finishing. The working table is coated with wear-resistant cemented carbide, which improves durability and extends the machine's service life during long-term operation. In addition, the machine is equipped with a self-developed heavy-duty cutting gearbox, ensuring powerful and stable performance even when processing harder wood materials. For safety, the machine is equipped with 3 emergency stop positions, along with limit switches and a safety door power-off protection system, ensuring maximum operator safety. By combining automatic defect cutting and high-speed four-side molding, this solution helps optimize production workflow, reduce labor, increase productivity, and improve the quality of finished wood blanks. If you are interested in this solution, QUOC is ready to provide consultation and customized solutions for your factory.